Sound good?
Yep.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
That's okay, good practice.
1,
Great.
Yep.
2, 1, 2.
You gotta do that! Hit that! Oh my god! Stop. Come on! Ah! Wait, come here! Uh-oh.
I'm all off beat. I can't
No, I know, that's why I said come in here!
That's gonna be huge sounding.
Nice. Okay, the kick.
Then maybe we can put like a droning sound like under. Pretty hot. Put a little bit more like that like a bit more. Ooh.
That's the bass, baby.
Yeah, yeah. No matter how far we measure, I'll be trying. Maybe we're gonna never home now. In a place of love.
Yep.
Yeah, baby.
Almost like what we did with the Oklahoma song, you know?
Exactly like that, yeah.
I think that'd be really good. Yeah, but man, it's feeling really fucking good.
Yeah.
My dad. Oh.
I got that on camera, motherfucker.
I could crack a smile in the middle of a fire, running from a shadow. I'm just starting a pile. Don't you see the sad tears and the red in my eyes? My eyes, yeah. My vision could be so clear if I wasn't so tight. So tight.
Speed walking from basically right there. And this one guy across the street was like, yo, you better watch out for those birds. And I'm like, please God, don't have a fucking cell phone out. I literally ran to the fucking parking garage. Dangerous, man. Florida. Nature.
Florida Georgia line.
Yeah, Florida Georgia line.
like architecture, very like sleek looking, all black, and it had like this like neon diamond on it.
You want to just look at this?
And that's all I remember about it. And then I just thought it like reminded me of a cafe, and I was like, Diamond Cafe. I don't know.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe you didn't tell me that. I don't know.
Did I not tell you?
I don't think you told me that.
Oh,
Maybe I'm sure you did. 'Cause I'm sure. I feel like I remember
I
asking
need
you.
to leave a
But
little bit of a break.